Every year, the world produces over 29 million tons of pineapple. Nearly half of that, 14 million tons of pineapple, becomes waste and discarded as pineapple peels, cores, and crowns. This waste generates 1.6 billion cubic meter of methane, a gas 80 times more potent than the carbon dioxide at trapping heat. On the other hand, what cleans our home is polluting our river. The toxic foam you see in these rivers come from the chemical detergent that contain surfactants that reduces oxygen content in water and harm aquatic life. These two problems seem completely unrelated until now. Introducing our solution, RePine. RePine transfer pineapple peel into natural biodegradable cleaning product using pineapple enzyme and soapnut. RePine offered different products like hand soap, laundry detergent, dishwashing liquid, and bathroom floor mat cleaner.
To create these cleaning solutions, we use fermentation process. Fermented peels are diluted with natural surfactants to create biodegradable liquid ecoenzyme cleaners. The leftover solid residue from fermentation can be used as a compost. Moving to our model, we utilize decentralized community hubs which collect peels from partnered juice shops, street markets, vendors, and hotels. The hubs initiate early stage bioconversion or controlled initial fermentation to stabilize the peels, that is, to prevent spoilage. This semi processed material is then sent to regional factories where continuation of controlled fermentation under standard conditions is carried out, which ensures consistent high quality enzyme extraction.
We make about 400 liters of enzymes every day with which we make our product. These are the cost at which we produce and sell our product. We need about 45 lakh as an initial investment and we earn about 6 lakh per month. The market is big so there is chance of growth.
RePine creates impact on three levels: environmental, social, and economic. We reduce waste pollution, create local income opportunities, and provide affordable eco friendly cleaning solutions.
Through this model, RePine supports key sustainable development goals, especially responsible consumption and production. Most of our funding directly goes into scaling impact through manufacturing, while the rest ensures the quality, safety, and long-term growth. A cleaner planet doesn't start with big changes, it starts with small action, even with one pineapple peel. With Repine, waste becomes opportunity. Thank you.